How to set up business profile in Lyft application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this business email. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this U option or your profile option. Simply tap on it. Now on the top, beside your name, you'll be able to see the name view profile. Simply tap on view profile. Now here in this account settings, you'll be able to see business profiles. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can set up a business profile. Here you can enter a valid email which will later link it with this account. So make sure you use your business account here because that will be more helpful and beneficial. So here simply add your email and you'll be able to connect with your business and set up all your business profile. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.